Hey, what's up Cardano holders? So this is live price prediction of Cardano coin, and I have very special news for all Cardano holders, my brother. So must watch this video. But before I get started this brand video, kindly if you are new my channel, just only subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, first of all, I will tell you something about the crypto market. The crypto market is totally, my friends, moving upward now. All crypto market is wake up from last 10 days of this month, my brother. Definitely it's clear, my brothers, to in August every coin will starting moving upward now, and absolutely, my friend, this time Cardano is one of them now. The Cardano price is very fastly increasing now, 1.56 USD dollar, my friend. If you can see here, so half USD dollar, my friend, they will just in only, my friend, gain it and last 10 days, my brother. So that's clear too, and 10 days they will give you half USD dollar. So if it's possible, my friends, to the end of month they will give you 2.5 USD dollar. This is our August target, but definitely, my friend, this is possible if they will give you, my friend, 15% profit and every, my brother, every my friend, last 7 days, my brother, every 7 days. So this is possible if they will, my friend, just and only give you 20% profit. So this is possible to they will hit now 3 USD dollar. Let's see, my brothers, to what they do. But I will tell you, my friend, something more about this too. If they will just and only, my friend, holder or stop selling, if they will, my friend, just and only get 20% profit and holder or stop selling, so there this is possible to they will give you 3 plus USD dollar. But if a holder are starting selling and exactly they will not holding, so my brother, and they stop investing more, so they cannot moving upward and they will fails down again to 1 USD dollar. So kindly hold that that's all depend on you, my brother, especially on short-term investor. If you want to say invest more, so I think it's a good time, my brother. Invest now. The price is very cheap. I hope in upcoming time they will give you 2 USD dollar plus, my brother. So please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get a profit. See you next time, Cardano holder. Please like video and subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.